Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn Maths lesson number 7, counting in groups from Maths textbook. Today in this lesson we will learn to count objects in groups of 10, as well as we will learn the concept of tens and units. Counting of tens will be explained by making groups of 10 objects, tens, and adding the remaining as units, singles. What is tens and units? Tens is group of 10. That means any object that is in a group of 10. In this picture, there is one necklace. So in this necklace, there is one group of 10 beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unit we will count 1, 2, 3. So it is not in the group. A single. Here there is one bundle of 10 sticks. Again we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. 110. 110 is 1, 0, 10. 1, 2. So, 2 tens are 2, 0, 20. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are 3, 0, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are 4, 0, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are 5, 0, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens are 6, 0, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens are 7, 0, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens are 8, 0, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens, 9, 0, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are 1, 0, 0, 100. Now we are going to count tens and units. 1, 2. 2 tens are 2, 0, 20. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are 5, 0, 50. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 50 plus 6 is 56. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are 4, 0, 40. So in tens we will write 4 plus how much units? 3. 1, 2, 3. 40 plus 3 is 43. Now children, come to page number 12 of your maths textbook. Yash and Rama counted these sticks by 2 different methods. Yash counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's see how Rama counted the sticks. Rama counted sticks in groups of 10 by making 3 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and remaining sticks, that is units. So units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining sticks she added. That means 3 tens and 5 units. So 30 plus 5 is 35. It is easier to count if we make groups of 10. Ahmed's friends have some sticks. They have been counted by making groups of tens. Now Ahmed's friend Salma had how many sticks? 24. So Salma made 2 bundles of sticks in groups of tens. And remaining units 1, 2, 3, 4 she added. So how much tens? These stand for tens, that is 2 tens and 4 units. U stands for units. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Sharad had 45 sticks. So Sharad, same, what he did? He made 4 bundles of sticks in groups of tens and remaining units he added. Let's see. Here, how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, that is 40 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So 40 plus 5, 45. Here, how many bundles you can see? And units? There are 2 tens, that is 20. And units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. Here there are 4 groups of 10 beads. And units are 3. 1, 2, 3. So 4 tens, that is 40 and 3 units. 40 plus 3 is 43. Now in this picture there are how many groups of blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 groups of tens blocks. And units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. 5 tens, that is 50 plus 6 units. So 50 plus 6 is 56. So children, there are some sharpeners on my desk. Now we are going to count in tens and units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 sharpener. 10 plus remaining are singles are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 10. This sharpener group of 10. So 1, 10 plus 4 is 14. Let's count again. This is 10 11, 12, 13, 14. Children, on my desk there are two more group of sharpeners. 110, 210. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 210. So we are going to write 210. Let's count unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are single units. So how many sharpeners in units? 6. 2 tens is 20 plus 6, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So answer is 26. So my dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. If it was helpful for you, so please don't forget to do the following things: like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Fareen Miss, comment below your views for further update. For further videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.